Hello, my name is Baldomero Vargas, and this is my custom lab project for EECS 120B at UCR. And what I've made here is a simple arcade basketball game that has two game modes. It's a time attack mode, which you beat the high score, and a horse mode, and it's called bit. So the components I used for this were two 7 segments, a couple of shift registers used along here, a couple of just simple LEDs used for some game logic, a single IR sensor inside of the hoop right here that lights this LED when it's detected. And I have the NEMA 17 stepper motor that's driven by this motor driver right here. And all that motor driver logic is controlled by this 12-volt battery pack. So now we're in the menu prompt and we're gonna play the first game. Time attacks is beat the previous high score. You push A. And high score set to 10. The EEPROM memory has it stored at 10, and if you break it, it resets it. So now we're going to try to break the high score. Okay, so we're going to wait a bit, because right now we're in 2-point mode. When the motor does not move, there's 2 points. So this LED is 2 points. When both of them are, it's 3 points, and this LED, every time a basket goes in, if you have already noticed, it lights on. So now we're at 8 points. And the motor is moving it. So if we make a basket, we should go to 11. We're at 11. We'll leave it there to display the high score being broken. And then at the end of the mode, the motor recalibrates it to the center. So now it says, congrats, you break the high score. If you didn't break the high score, it'll say try again. Second game mode, bit. It's this horse, and then player one's in control at first. A controls the motor to the left. B controls the motor to the right. So when the player that has to shoot the basket wants it in the position they want it, they push C to lock it in. Once C is pressed, player 1 has 5 seconds to make the basket. If they make it, player 2 automatically has 5 seconds to make it, so we're going to miss it just to display that a B will be output here. Awesome, so there's a B here now. Now player 1 made it, so he gets to do what he wants. So we'll go here, and then we'll try again. The first one just displays the player, second one's the time. If the player that gets to choose the shot misses it, it just goes straight to the second player. So now player 2 has a B and an I. So we'll go here, we'll display what happens if the player misses it, and then player 2 gets the shot. So now player 2, nothing happened. Player 2 gets to choose a selection. So we'll go here. And then we'll have player 2 miss it, so we can have player 1 win the game now. So now player 1, let's just have it here. We'll get to C, and then we made it. So now that player 2 misses it, it will display BIT, as in bit, and then it will display something like player 1 wins. So now player 1 won, the motor recalibrates to the center, and then player 1 wins is displayed for a couple of seconds. So now to demo the soft reset, we'll go into game mode 2 first. So let's just say you want it here or over here, and we will put it here, player 1 locks it in, yeah, player 1 makes it, but you're like, I don't want to play this anymore, it's boring. You push R, sets you back to the main menu, and bam, motor gets calibrated. And the second game mode right here, we will just let this zoom in. We'll let this fast forward real quick. So now that the motor is moving and you want to reset it, you're like, okay, I don't want to play some more, you just push R, shuts off, and then it goes right back to the middle. And as you saw, our previous high score of 11 was now reset. So that's my game, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.